Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Farm module. In the previous video, we completed bank reconciliation, where we learned how ERP bank balances are verified with a bank statement. Today, we'll understand another important control process in accounting, accounts approvals, which includes consumption posting, closing stock posting, inventory posting. These processes ensure that inventory and stock-related accounting entries are reviewed and validated before final posting. Why accounts approvals are important? In day-to-day operations, stock is issued for internal use. Materials are consumed in production. Closing stock values are calculated at month-end. Inventory valuation is finalized. All these activities directly affect financial accounts. So, before posting, the system requires approval and validation. Step 1. Consumption posting. When stock is used internally or for production, we record a consumption entry. This ensures stock value reduces, expense or consumption account increases. This screen is used to create a consumption posting entry. Here we can see division, item group, department, consumption value. The system calculates stock value automatically based on valuation. Once saved, the entry moves for approval before posting. This listing screen shows all consumption entries, values posted, approval status. From here, accounts users can verify entries before approval. Step 2. Closing stock posting. At the end of a period, the system calculates closing stock value. Closing stock is important because it affects cost of goods sold. It impacts profit calculation. This screen is used to calculate closing stock. Here, stock valuation is calculated automatically. Closing values are generated. Journal vouchers can be created for posting. This ensures inventory value is correctly reflected in accounts. This listing shows closing stock entries, item groups, values calculated. Accounts team reviews this before final posting. Step 3. Inventory posting process. Inventory posting ensures that stock value in inventory and value in general ledger remain consistent. This process also helps in month-end closing, landed cost adjustments, provisional purchase accounting. This screen shows the overall workflow of inventory posting. It helps maintain proper stock accountability, adjust differences between stock value and ledger value, finalize inventory values for the month. After processing, the system freezes inventory valuation for that period. Important points to remember. Consumption entries reduce stock and increase expenses. Closing stock determines correct inventory value. Inventory posting aligns stock value with accounts. Approval ensures accuracy before financial impact. These controls are essential for reliable financial reporting. Process summary. Consumption posting records internal usage of stock. Closing stock posting calculates ending inventory value. Inventory posting finalizes valuation and accounting impact. Accounts approval ensures validation before posting. This completes the accounts approvals, consumption, closing stock and inventory posting process in Lighthouse ERP. In the next video, we'll move to another important area of accounting: fixed assets management. In that session, we'll understand how fixed assets are recorded, how depreciation is calculated, and how asset accounting works in Lighthouse ERP. See you in the next video, learners.